Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make a pinhole camera which allows to view the solar eclipse. You need a white card paper. The one I'm using is kind of rigid and not very flexible. Fold the paper in the middle and we're gonna cut out a hole. You could choose the square or rectangle size, and the length it could be 2 to 3 inches. I choose a rectangle hole. Tape aluminum foil over the hole. Poke a small hole in the middle of aluminum foil. I use a pin. To test out, place a white paper at the bottom, and at the top you have your aluminum foil and a little holder where your angle so the sunlight shines through. Stand so the sun is behind your back, and then the sun will project the image into the hole and you can see the solar eclipse. Here's a recording of the solar eclipse on the April the 8th, 2024 using the pinhole camera. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I hope the tutorial is helpful for you to create a pinhole camera. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye!